Hey, how you doing, man?
All right.
I'm Bob Marie. Good to meet you. This is my bus, Poco Loco, which means a little bit crazy in Spanish.
Yeah.
So the whole deal's...
Aren't we all?
Yeah, we all are crazy. And it's a little bit crazy that I travel with my mom, who's 99 years old. Come on in, take a look.
All right.
This is my mom, Lynn.
Hi.
Hey.
And this is our get about. What we do, we go on trips to keep her moving and visit different places. And I really wanted to have a bus feel with my bus whenever I built it. I didn't want it to look like a little cabin or whatever, so I left a lot of the original stuff in. But got a nice little kitchen area here. I did epoxy resin on the wood to preserve
that's pretty.
it. Thank you. Yeah, I like bright colors. So this is a couch that slides out and makes a bed. This is where my mom sleeps here. And then back here, I've got full shower, 32 by 32 inches.
Mm-hmm.
And for hot water, I've done something a little different. I took a 110 volt, 10 gallon hot water heater and converted it to 12 volt. So I'm heating off my solar and whatnot, so I don't have to have the inverter going. I just kind of eliminated that part of the process.
Definitely different.
Have a composting toilet I built, and for the man, I built the urinal so I don't so I don't have to sit down every time I want to go to the bathroom.
If people tour my bus, the highlight for mine is the urinal because I made it out of a Frankenstein skull.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. So it's different.
Yeah. I have a small refrigerator here, not a very big one, but it's big enough to do what I've got to do. And then I've got my sleeping area here and a lot of storage everywhere. But I have 110 gallons of water underneath the bed.
Okay.
Plus a lot of storage. And then behind this purple wall, there's actually a 7-foot garage. So we'll go out there and take a look at that.
Okay.
Yeah. So, and of course I got diesel heater and air conditioner and all the things you need if it's too hot or too cold. And I left my handicap lift on purpose so that I could lift a bicycle or a little motorcycle or whatever. But back here...
Yeah, I just removed mine because, well, it was leaking and I didn't really need it.
Yeah.
So...
But I have all this space so that I can carry plenty of storage, you know, whatever I need, like my bicycle or if I get a little motorcycle or something. But I have the 110 gallons of water, which I used, there were barrels that had citrus juice in them.
All right.
So I recycled those, and then all my pump, electricity, the hot water heater that I converted to 12 volt. I have 4 AGM.
Now to convert that, it was changing the element?
Yeah,
basically?
element and thermostat both.
Okay.
And Missouri Wind and Solar is who I got that from.
That's a good idea.
They sell parts. And then I have my propane in boxes here that vent out the floor. So if they leak, then it goes out. So that was, you know, it was just a fun little project. And,
yeah. First I was wondering what the funnel was, then I realized that
the condensation yeah, it's
right.
going to drip in the back of the bus, so I had to catch it.
I mean, you didn't plumb it into the tanks? You got free water?
I didn't feel like it was clean enough, maybe. So
exactly.
You know. But yeah, I didn't want it to run in the back. So, but it also gave me a way, like my hot water heater, I can dump water into there.
Sure.
Or if it gets too hot, it pops into there. I can also pump water out of the tanks and through that same pipe and get it out of onto the ground if I have to. So. But I just, you know, it was a fun little project for me, and my mom and I are making memories we'd never make with a 99-year-old.
Exactly.
It's just so amazing that we've done 20,000 miles this last year. Her and I just traveling and going and seeing things and having a good time.
Very nice. I like the bus. I like some of the different things you've done.
Yeah, I even that purple thing up there is actually a hammock too that
okay.
actually stretches across the driver's area and gives me one more place for someone to sleep.
Sure.
So
now, do you have any social media presence if somebody wanted to ask questions or?
Yeah, on the back of the door here, I've got some stuff. Let me get it. I even have a email address that they can go straight to me. I don't do the YouTube or anything, but I've got Instagram and
right.
you know, so and yeah,
very cool.
I'll be sure and hand you a card.
Well,
and I've got my phone number and everything, and I don't mind you posting that if you'd like to.
thank you for the tour.
No problem.
I hope you enjoyed the tour of that latest rig. I will have a new one next Saturday. Hit the subscribe button and hit the bell to be notified. So make sure you don't miss them. Lots of cool rigs coming up this year. See you down the road, my friends. Stay safe.